Well, we decided to go camping. I mean, technically we've already been camping, but we wanted to go to a different spot because we're, stuck working a job, sitting in the same spot. So we got 2 days off, and I know the wind's blowing. I'm hoping it ain't too bad. We decided to come over to California and camp for the weekend. I don't know if you can see the view. It's a cloudy day, but it's warm and nice. But let me get you turned around and I'll show you what I've been up to. I've been busy. I've got the solar put on the old rig, and yeah, it's a little janky, I know, but this is just to get me home. I'm gonna, I guess take it all apart and do it right. That's what I'm trying to say. I don't know, but yeah, I just needed something to use while I was here. Man, of course the wind's gonna pick up 100 mile an hour, and I'm bad at this. But got a motorcycle carrier and put the old scooter on the back, add some lights to it. And you probably wonder why I don't never show none of this, because I'm the type, whenever I'm working, I'm focused on the job I'm doing. I don't have time to mess with the camera or socialize or whatever. I get into what I'm doing, and I just want to stay focused and get it done. So anyway, yeah, I got all that knocked out. Got the solar on, which is that I'm gonna leave. The panels are gonna leave, but this wiring, yeah, I've got to change that. That's so ugly. That's the charge controller inside the waterproof box. But yeah, all that I've got to change. That's already bothered me. The reason I did that, because I had them panels set up to be temporary for the trailer. And yeah, so instead of spending a bunch of money to change all that now and then just change it again later, I went ahead and used that setup. And yeah, it's just ugly. I don't like it at all. But anyway, here's where I'm at. Yeah, it's gray. It's warm and nice, but it's gray and just so dreary looking. She is out there in a van up there. Yep. She's got some projects going. We're going to try to do one today, but I don't know if we're going to. Try to get a roof fan put in. Hang on, let me turn you around. But yeah, we're going to try to get a roof fan put in today. I don't know. It keeps acting like it's going to rain, so I don't want to cut that big hole in the roof and then it start raining. But I might go over and check and see what she's got on. The big news is we sold the trailer. We no longer have the travel trailer. We got rid of it. Just I don't know, felt like it wasn't working for us. So I know we just got the thing, but yeah, it just wasn't working for us. Really hindered what we wanted to do, places we wanted to go and stuff like that. So decided to get rid of it. And being here in Arizona, it didn't take very long to sell it all. I put it up for sale within, I think it was 2 days or maybe 3 days, something like that. It was gone. Yeah. So there's no change in our mind on that. It's somewhere in California right now. Hope they're enjoying it. But yeah, that's what we're up to at the moment. I'm gonna go over here and check and see what she wants to do about that fan thing, and I'll be back here in a little while. Well, we was out there working on a fan. I installed a max air fan on her van. If you see it right there, we got her put in, but just in time. The wind is ripping through here, and you can't tell. I'm back in the RV. If you see how it's all white looking, there's actually mountains there. You can barely see the mountains there. It's fixing to have a dust storm. The wind is blowing pretty viciously. But there's still a lot of people out there camping. There's a camper right there, and you see a couple specks over there. And they got a big Class A over there, and there's a few behind us. But yeah, we was gonna get out and enjoy the day and mess around. Well, we did this morning. Cleaned our scooters and messed around, but looks like we're shut in for the rest of the day. So I'll check back with you later. I'll be back in just a minute. Just a little update on the old windstorm. Yeah, It's windy out there. All of that is dust. That's not rain or clouds. Yeah, we're in a big dust storm, which is a bummer. Every time we get a day off from work, it's either raining or a dust storm. I don't know if you can hear the wind, but it's ripping through here. Yeah, it's blowing pretty hard. But alright, I'll check back again here in a minute. Maybe we can get outside. Well, probably gonna go ahead and end this video. It's gonna be short, not very informative, but it's still crazy windy out there. We're stuck inside, so you know, once again, not gonna be doing nothing today, but I have been doing a little straightening up in here, a little, you know, trying to organize somewhat. It's that's crazy. Give me just a second, let me turn you around, and old Crusty Rusty, you can see him. There's old Crusty. He's hanging out with me. Feel a sneeze coming. Corona. Excuse me. Well, you look like a statue, Rusty. There you go. Your eyes moved. Yeah, we're just hanging out, stuck in the old camper. The sun is trying to come back out somewhat. You'll see the blind house like really bright in that corner. It's trying to peek back out, but visibility got really bad about an hour ago. I laid down and took a nap, but so sleepy. Yeah, you couldn't hardly even see her. The dust is horrible. But according to weather, it's supposed to stay like this up to about 10 o'clock. So I'll probably get him out a little bit and let him go use the bathroom and scratch around the rocks, and then we'll come back in and hang out. But anyway, I just want to jump on here and say hello to everybody. Thank you for hanging out and watching. Been pretty boring. Usually when we do our jobs, it gets pretty boring. We don't, you know, get out much, move around much. We try to do little camping trips and things, or little weekend deals, like I'm calling this a camping trip, but it just seems like it never works out. It's always either raining or a windstorm or something. Always happens. So anyway, it won't be long. We'll be getting back on the road, and we'll be heading home, take care of the end of the year business and stuff like that, and then start traveling again. But anyway, just hope y'all having a good day, and till I see you again, God bless you.